Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, let us solve the problems of GCT, that is Goa Board CET, of the chapter matrices. This is the set 2 we are doing here. Okay, and for this you have to know the concept of matrices properly. Okay, so before trying this problem, please see that you just revise the chapter thoroughly, the matrices. Okay, and then you go to solve the problems. Okay, and let us start with the first problem here. So identify a statement which is false, right? You have 4 statements here and we have to select the correct one, and that should be the false statement. So let us read the first one here. If A and B are 2 3 by 3 symmetric matrices, then AB is a symmetric matrix, right? So what is given here, that A and B are 2 symmetric matrices. We have to check whether AB is symmetric. So let us start. Now this statement I am saying that it is false. Okay, तुम्ही हांगा पयली ट्राय करूंक जाय की मनान ट्राय करूंक जाय की खरोच ट्रू आसा का फॉल्स आसा तो. ओके, so solution, let us see A. Here you have to take A and B as symmetric matrices. तो आम्ही हांगा घेवया फर्स्ट A इक्वल टू, सपोज आमी हांगा घेतले 1, मागीर हांगा 1, हांगा 3 घेवया आमी, मागीर हांगा 5 आनी हांगा 5. ओके, आनी दुसरो मॅट्रिक्स आमी हांगा घेवया 2 - 4 1 1. Okay, so now we have to do what? We have to just see whether these are symmetric. So what you have to do, A transpose you have to find, right? A transpose will be 1 5 5 3 1 5 5 3, the transpose. म्हणजे हांगा कितें येतले, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम जातलो, सो 1 आनी 5 हांगा येतलो, 5 आनी 3 सेकंड कॉलम जातलो, सो 5 आनी 3. ओके, सो म्हणजेच हो जो मॅट्रिक्स आसा तो एच मॅट्रिक्स न्हू, 1 5 5 3. ओके, आतां आमी बी ट्रान्सपोज करया. सो बी ट्रान्सपोज सपोज आमी केले जाल्यार 2 1 1 -4 आसा हांगा, 2 1 1 -4, तेजो ट्रान्सपोज. So this will be equal to what? First row will change to first column 2 1, second row will change to second column, so 1 - 4. So this becomes a symmetric. Why? Because this is B only. हांगा B आमकां मेळटा 2 1 1 -4, correct? So therefore we can say that A and B are both symmetric matrices. ओके, सो आमी चॅक केले की ए आनी बी दोनूय सिमेट्रीक मॅट्रिसीस आसा. आतां आमकां पळोवंक जाय की ए बी सिमेट्रीक आसा की ना ते. ओके, सो ए बी सिमेट्रीक आसा की ना ते पळोवपाक आमकां ए बी जाय पयली. सो ए कितें आसा हांगा, ए इज 1 5 5 3 आनी बी इज 2 1 1 -4. Okay, 2 1 1 -4. So this will be equal to what? We have to just multiply this. So first row multiplied with the first column. So 1 times 2 is 2 and plus 5 times 1 is 5. At the first row multiplied by the second column. So 1 times 1 is 1 and 5 times -4 is -20 हांगा आमकां मेळटले. At the second row multiplied by the first column, so 5 times 2 is 10, 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, and second row first column, so 5 times 1 is 5, 3 times -4 is -12 hanga. So this will be equal to 2 plus 7 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 minus 20 is -19, 10 plus 3 is 13 and 5 minus 12 is -7. So हो जालो आमचो मॅट्रिक्स ए बी. आतां आमकां चॅक करूंक जाय की ए बी सिमेट्रीक आसा की ना तो. सो ए बी ट्रान्सपोज घेवंक जाय हांगा. ए बी ट्रान्सपोज कितें जातलो, this will be equal to 7 minus 19 13 minus 7 transpose. So this will be equal to what, first row will change to first column 7 and minus 19, second row will change to second column, so 13 and minus 7. So this is not equal to, you can see it is not equal to AB, right. तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता ए बी ट्रान्सपोज जर आमी घेता जाल्यार आमकां मेळटा 7 13 minus 19 minus 7 which is not equal to this matrix A B. This is 7 minus 19 13 minus 7. ओके. सो आमकां कितें मेळ्ळें हांगा, ए बी आनी बी सिमेट्रीक आसलो, ए बी आनी बी सिमेट्रीक आसले पूण ए बी इज नॉट सिमेट्रीक. ओके. सो हियर ए बी इज नॉट सिमेट्रीक. सो आमकां एक एग्जाम्पल मेळटा की जेन्ना ए आनी बी सिमेट्रीक आसता तेन्ना ए बी सिमेट्रीक नासूं शकता. ओके. सो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दॅट इफ ए एंड बी आर सिमेट्रीक देन ए बी इज ऑल्सो सिमेट्रीक. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट विच इज देर इट इज फॉल्स. आतां आमी बी स्टेटमेंट कडेन या. सो बी स्टेटमेंट इज वॉट, let us read the B statement. If A is a skew symmetric matrix, then A raised to 8 is a symmetric matrix. So हांगा आमकां दिला की A is a skew symmetric matrix आनी आमकां पळोवंक जाय की whether A raised to 8 is a symmetric matrix. We'll write this what is given. So A is a symmetric matrix. This is given. I think skew symmetric, right? Yes, skew symmetric is given. So let us do that. Skew symmetric matrix. So म्हणजे कितें हांगा A ट्रान्सपोज जो आसा तो आसतलो मायनस A. जेन्ना सिमेट्रीक आसता तेन्ना A ट्रान्सपोज आसता A, पूण हांगा A इज अ स्क्यू सिमेट्रीक मॅट्रिक्स, सो A ट्रान्सपोज विल बी मायनस A. आतां आमकां पळोवंक जाय A रेज टू 8चे कितें जाता तें. A रेज टू 8 सिमेट्रीक मॅट्रिक्स आसूंक जाय. सो सपोज वी टेक A रेज टू 8 ट्रान्सपोज हियर, रायट. आमकां कितें मेळटा हांगा, if we look at this, A raised to 8 will be A times A, the whole transpose. Now this, how many times it is multiplied, the matrix A, it is multiplied 8 times, right. A raised to 8 is there. Okay, so this will be equal to, now you have to use the formula. Formula is what, when you take transpose of a product, so first you will get the last matrix transpose, then multiplied by the second last matrix transpose, but which is A actually, right. All the matrices are A here. So first is the transpose of the last matrix, then the second last matrix transpose, and so on up to the transpose of the first matrix. So these are 8 A transposes which are there, right. So what you will get here, A transpose raised to 8. So आमकां कितें मेळटा हांगा, A raised to 8 the whole transpose is equal to A transpose the whole raised to 8, right. And if you continue here, A transpose is what, minus A, right, minus A raised to 8. Okay, now this means what, minus A raised to 8 is nothing but, this is a scalar minus 1, हांगा scalar आसा minus 1 raised to 8 कितें जातलो, 1. सो जो स्केलर आसा तेका पावर येतली आनी तो जातलो 1, कित्याक -1 आसलो, -1 रेज टू 8 इज 1 टायम्स हांगा मॅट्रिक्स A आसा रेज टू 8, सो A रेज टू 8 मेळटलो. दीस वील बी इक्वल टू A रेज टू 8. ओके, सो आमकां कितें मेळटा हांगा, A रेज टू 8 ट्रान्सपोज इज इक्वल टू A रेज टू 8. सो दॅट मीन्स दीस मॅट्रिक्स वीच इज A रेज टू 8 इज ए सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्स, करेक्ट. Okay, so we have seen for a general matrix A here, खंयचोय मॅट्रिक्स आमी घेतलेलो A जो सिमेट्रिक स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक आसा, ओके आनी म्हाका कितें मेळटा हांगा a raised to 8 इज अ सिमेट्रीक मॅट्रिक्स म्हणजेच ती स्टेटमेंट जी आसा b हांगा ट्रू जाता ओके आतां c पळोवया आमी सो इफ a ट्रांसपोज a इज इक्वल टू I where a transpose denotes the transpose of a then a is invertible okay so if you look at the statement carefully here it is given that a transpose a is equal to I. Let us look at the statement again. A transpose a is equal to I if where a transpose denotes the transpose of a then a is invertible. सो आमकां हांगा पळोवंक जाय की a इनवर्टिबल आसा की ना तो इनवर्टिबल म्हणजे कितें सो a इज इनवर्टिबल means a transpose times a inverse times a or we can write it like this means b times a is equal to a times b which is equal to the identity matrix okay so हांगा एक मॅट्रिक्स आमकां मेळटा b okay there exists a matrix so there is a matrix b okay such that so a invertible means there is a matrix b such that ba is equal to ab is equal to identity matrix okay so what we have to now do here we have one equation a transpose times a is equal to I right so if a is invertible that means you have to find a matrix b आमकां हांगा matrix b सोदपाक जाय जशें की a times b is identity matrix आमकां एक इक्वेशन मेळटा हांगा दिला हांगा ओके so let us start with that equation if you operate on both sides by a transpose inverse operate by a transpose inverse okay times a which is equal to a transpose inverse times I so this will imply what हांगा तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता a transpose आनी a transpose inverse मल्टिप्लायड आसा सो जेन्ना मॅट्रिक्साचो इनवर्स मल्टिप्लायड आसता for the same matrix I mean if you have a here and if you have a inverse so a याचो इनवर्स सपोज a याक मल्टिप्लाय जाता जाल्यार आमकां कितें मेळटा आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स हांगा a म्हणजे a ट्रांसपोज आसा ओके इतलेंच हांगा फरक आसा सो a ट्रांसपोज टायम्स a ट्रांसपोज इनवर्स इज I टायम्स a which is equal to हांगा आमकां कितें मेळटलें a ट्रांसपोज इनवर्स multiplied by the identity matrix so that will be nothing but a transpose inverse only right so this will imply what I times a that is a is equal to a transpose inverse so we have got a matrix a which is equal to a transpose inverse so now if you look at this equation a transpose times a right this will be equal to what a transpose times a is nothing but a transpose inverse so हांगा आमकां परते कितें मेळटा a transpose multiplied by a transpose inverse so हांगा कितें मेळटलें आमकां आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स okay so suppose we call this equation 1 this equation 2 so from 1 and 2 आमकां कितें मेळटलें पळोवया from 1 and 2 we get a transpose a is equal to I which is equal to a transpose a आमकां हांगा a times a transpose घेवपाक जाय आसलें okay so we will cancel this here this is a transpose on the right hand side on the left hand side it is a transpose inverse so a transpose inverse multiplied by a transpose कितें मेळटा आमकां आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स दॅट मिन्स a times a transpose आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स म्हणजे आमकां हांगा मेळटलें फ्रॉम 1 and 2 a transpose a is equal to I which is equal to a times a transpose Okay, right. So this, what is the conclusion we have to write here? So A is invertible. Why A is invertible? आमकां हांगा मेळटा मॅट्रिक्स B. See, we wanted B times A is equal to A times B equal to I. So now what is B here? B, we can take it as A transpose, right? We can take B matrix as A transpose. So therefore A is invertible, and so the statement which is given to us, statement C is true. Now let us look at the statement D. So this is always true. This is a important property of a transpose, right? For a square matrix A, the identity A transpose, the whole transpose is equal to A. This holds. So this statement is true. Okay. So आमकां कितें मेळटा? false statement हांगा. The statement which is false is the statement A. So this is the correct option, right? Option A is the correct option. So therefore option A is correct. So that was the first problem. Now let us go to the second one. Second one is this: identify a statement which is false. Again the same type of question. You have to look at these 4 statements and check whether which one is false. A statement poya आमी, the diagonal entries of a skew symmetric matrix are all 0. So this we will see first. A, we have to take one matrix which is a skew symmetric matrix. Let A be a skew symmetric matrix, right? Now what you mean by skew symmetric? A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, and if we write now this A as Aij, so Aij transpose is equal to minus of Aij. Aij म्हणजे कितें? Aij म्हणजे elements of the matrix A. So since this is a skew symmetric matrix of order, we can say n. You know that skew symmetric or symmetric matrices are always square matrices, right? Rows and columns are equal in number. So what we will get here, if we look at this, Aij transpose equal to minus matrix Aij. So I will vary from 1 to n, and also j, right? I means it denotes the row and j denotes the column. Since A is a skew symmetric matrix, it is of order n, that means a square matrix. So both rows and columns will be equal in numbers. Okay, so I will vary from 1 to n. There will be n rows and j will vary from 1 to n. That means that there are n columns. Okay, so let us see now matrix Aij transpose. आमकां कितें मेळटलें? Aij transpose म्हणजे हांगा आमकां मेळटलें Aji. So suffixes which are there will get interchanged. Okay, हांगा j येतलो, हांगा I येतलो. I च्या जाग्यार j येतलो, j च्या जाग्यार I येतलो. Okay, this will be equal to minus matrix Aij. So this implies Aji plus matrix Aij is equal to the 0 matrix, and of course you have to keep a note of this. I 1 less than or equal to Ij is less than or equal to n. Okay, so both I and j are less than or greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to n. So this will imply what? Now you know how to add the matrices. Okay, just you have to add the elements, the corresponding elements of the matrices. So you will get Aji here plus Aij. So this will be equal to matrix 0 and 1 is less than or equal to I, j less than or equal to n. So this implies what? So if you now equate the corresponding elements. Since see हांगा दोन्ही मॅट्रिक्स इक्वल आसा, सो तेंचे करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स इक्वल जातले. सो ए जे आय प्लस ए आय जे आमकां मेळटले इक्वल टू 0. ओके, and here we get 1 less than or equal to I j less than or equal to n. So this will imply a j I will be equal to minus a I j. So हांगा तुमी ऑब्जर्व करू शकता आमकां मेळ्ळा a j I equal to minus a I j. So in particular if we take हांगा आमी in particular suppose घेतले I equal to j, आमकां कितें मेळटलें हांगा a j जातलो I हांगा I उरतलो इक्वल टू मायनस a I आनी j जातलो हांगा परतो I. सो आमकां कितें मेळटा a I I इज इक्वल टू मायनस a I I. सो दिस वील इम्प्लाय a I I प्लस a I I इज इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस वील इम्प्लाय वॉट 2 times a I I इज इक्वल टू 0. म्हणजेच a I I इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, आता हे जे आमी एलिमेंट्स पळयतात a I I, they are actually the diagonal elements of the matrices. Okay, so suppose आमी हांगा 3x3 मॅट्रिक्स बरयलो जाल्यार a11 a12 a13 a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33. आता हेचे डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स खंय आसा हांगा a11 a22 a33. these are the diagonal elements. What is the type of the elements here? You have a I I. You can see if you look at these diagonal elements, it is a11 a22 a33. so it is of the type a I I. so these a I I means the diagonal elements. So what is the conclusion here? Therefore the diagonal elements of skew symmetric matrix are 0, all 0. Okay, so if you look at this statement, this is a true statement, right? Now let us go to the next one, B. So let us read, for a square matrix A, the matrix A plus A transpose, where A transpose denotes transpose of A is always symmetric. So वो आमी आता statement check करूया. A plus A transpose is always symmetric, they are asking. So A plus A transpose we have to take, right? We have to check whether A plus A transpose is symmetric. So we have to check A plus A transpose the transpose, and that should be equal to what? That should be equal to only A plus A transpose. Okay, let us see. We will use the transpose property here. So the transpose which is here will operate to both these matrices. So A transpose plus A transpose the transpose, this will be equal to what? A transpose plus A transpose की जातलो A. This is also one important property. A transpose जेन्ना आमी घेता तेन्ना आमकां परतो A मेळटलो. ओके, सो A transpose plus A आमकां हांगा मेळटा. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू A plus A transpose, right? So what we are getting actually is A plus A transpose, the whole transpose, is equal to A plus A transpose. So therefore what we have got is A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. So the statement is true, right? Now let us go to C. If A and B are two 3x3 skew symmetric matrices, then product BAB is a skew symmetric, that we have to check. So here only we will check it. Statement C we are doing. Okay, A and B are skew symmetric matrices म्हणजे कितें? A transpose is equal to minus A and B transpose is equal to minus B. Okay, आता आम्ही पळोवंक जाय की BAB whether it is skew symmetric or not. So BAB transpose, if you take, this will be last matrix transpose is first here multiplied by the matrix which is in the middle, that is A transpose, right? I mean the matrix which is in the middle, the transpose of that we have to take here, multiplied by the first matrix transpose, B transpose. So this will be equal to, here B transpose is minus B multiplied by A transpose is minus A multiplied by B transpose is minus B here. So which will be equal to, आता आमी हांगा पळोवंक शकता -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1 आसा. सो हांगा आमकां मेळटलें मायनस न्हू, ऑड पावर ऑफ -1 is -1. So BAB, that is, so what we are getting is BAB transpose is minus BAB. So therefore we can say that BAB is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, and so this is true. मागीर आता statement D पळोवया आमी. The statement D is what? The determinant of a sum of 2 3 by 3 matrices is the sum of the determinant. हांगा आमकां एग्जांपल घेवन प्रूव करूंक जाय की determinant of a sum of 2 3 by 3 matrices is may not be the sum of the determinant. Okay, so example घेवन आमकां हांगा शो करूंक जाय. So let A be equal to, say, matrix 1 0 0 1. Okay, and B equal to the matrix 1 2 3 4. Okay, आमकां कितें प्रूव करूंक जाय? आमकां प्रूव करूंक जाय की determinant of sum of two matrices is not equal to the sum of their determinants. Okay, let us see. So determinant of A, let us see first, this will be equal to determinant of 1 0 0 1. It will be equal to what? 1 times 1 is 1 minus 0 times 0 is 0, which is equal to 1. Determinant of B is what? Is equal to determinant of 1 2 3 4, and that will be equal to what? 4 times 1 is 4 minus 3 times 2 is 6, which is nothing but minus 2. Now we have to do what? We have found the determinant of A, determinant of B also. Now we have to find the sum of the two matrices first, because we have to find the determinant of sum of the two matrices also. So sum of the two matrices will be A plus B, 1 0 0 1 plus you will have 1 2 3 4, right? So this will be equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, 0 plus 2 will be 2, right? 0 plus 3 will be 3 and 1 plus 4 will be 5. आता आम्ही पळोवया determinant of A plus B, जो आम्ही आत्ता फाइंड केला. determinant of A plus B will be equal to determinant of 2 2 3 5, right? So this will be equal to 5 times 2 is 10 minus 3 times 2 is 6, which is equal to 4. Okay, so आमकां कितें मेळटा हांगा? सपोज आमी हांगा बरयलें determinant of A plus B पयली. Okay, determinant of A plus B is 4 आणि determinant of आता sum of the two matrices, sum of the determinant of the matrices. Okay, that is determinant of A plus determinant of B. So which is equal to determinant of A is 1 plus determinant of B, that is minus 2. Okay, this will be equal to 1 minus 2, which is nothing but minus 1. So you can see, therefore determinant of A plus B is not equal to determinant of A plus determinant of B, right? You can clearly see determinant of A plus B is 4, determinant of A plus determinant of B is minus 1. So 4 is not equal to minus 1, so determinant of So what you are getting is determinant of a plus b is not equal to determinant of a plus determinant of b. So the statement which is the fourth statement D is false. Okay, and so the statement, that is the statement D, becomes the correct statement. So D is the correct statement. Okay, so that's it in the video. So जर तुमका व्हिडिओ आवडलो जाल्यार प्लीज माझे व्हिडिओक लायक करात, आणि जर तुम्ही अजून माझ्या चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करूंक ना जाल्यार तो सुद्धा आत्ताच्या आत्ता बेगिनातल्या बेगीन सबस्क्राईब करा. ओके, मेळटा तुमकां हांव फुडल्या व्हिडिओन.